Alright, update number 2. Got everything out of the trunk. It's bare. It's all the CD changer stuff used to be. All the stock Cadillac amps. It's a lot of stuff, huh? Fuses. There's Brutus. Say hi, Brutus. This is what I'm doing right now. Just running some of the zero gauge. I have this handy plastic stuff that's like pretty much runs all my wires that, you know, come stock, so you don't see anything. Very nice and clean. Number 1 battery's back in. Battery relay isolator getting put in. The big 3, you can kind of see all the shiny brass down there from the ring terminals. Well, that's it so far. Hopefully I'll have it up and going maybe tomorrow.